In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that drum fill and how to incorporate a couple different stickings with that same pattern to put it in your drumming. Let's first start off with the two first groupings of 5. So what are they exactly? Basically, they are just 5. So you're going to go on the snare, between the snare and your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 in the hands, 2 on the feet. That's just practice to help you feel comfortable playing those groupings of 5s, because we're going to move the right hand and put it to the first and second rack tom. So the pattern is going to be like this at a very slow tempo. One thing you want to note here is we're not going to place an accent on the left hand on the snare. We're just going to do a grace note or a ghost note in between the 2 tom hits. So let's speed that up a little bit. All right, now that's the first half of the drum fill. The other half is 2 groups of 3. Because we're playing this pattern in 4/4 in a subdivision note group of 16th notes, we have 6 notes left to fill out our first bar. So how we're going to do that is with 2 groups of 3. And the second half of the pattern is just that. All it is right, left, left, right, left, left, and that's between the floor and the snare drum. So it's going to look and sound something like this. Faster. What I like to do to finish off this drum fill is to hit the crash and kick the kick drum at the same time on beat 1 of the following measure, so it brings you right back into a nice feel. It's going to look and sound something like this. So instead of playing it on the tom surface, we can move it over to the surface of the ride to get something that'll sound something like this. Sped up. Here's another way you can play the groups of 5 and 3. Just do it alternating between your snare and your kick. It's kind of like a Mike Portnoy cross rhythm or linear drum fill. So we're going to go right, left, right, kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick, right, left, right, left, crash and kick at the same time. So slow. Again, but a little faster. If you want to actually play the same sticking, just play it on the snare and then do the tom fill, you actually get a pretty long sounding, interesting tom fill without even changing the sticking. You're just changing the surface in which you're playing on. Remember not to feel constrained to play these groups of 5 in that specific hand pattern or foot pattern. Just take the 5 and try and disperse it between all your limbs and different surfaces and see what kind of pattern you can come up with yourself. Just remember 5, 5, 3, 3, and then you have your bar of 4, 4 at a 16th note rate. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so other people can learn this too. I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. My name's Cam Fleury, and have yourself a great day.